Well, it is Saturday morning, and I am in the office getting ready to see some clients on a Zoom consultation. Yes, we are still doing Zoom consultations. We found that one of the things that came out of the pandemic, if anything was good, was the ability for people to get a little more comfortable with Zoom. So in situations where a person cannot come and see us, we do Zoom consultations both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So I'm going to do that in about an hour with a client to discuss a case, which I believe that we have the real possibility of getting a fantastic result for that client. Yesterday, we came out with our weekly e-update, which has over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Had some great articles this week regarding recording telephone conversations both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and why the laws are very different between Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And also in our article, I explain the difference between a recorded conversation and text messages and voicemails and other forms of communication like email, and why those aren't as private as recorded conversations. In addition, I came out with an article regarding due process and explaining what due process was and the types of due process, which is a great article because a lot of people, unfortunately, don't understand what is meant by those terms. I will link in links to those articles in this video. Check them out. It's some fantastic information that will provide immediate value. It is the weekend. It is the summer. I realize that people are traveling both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Please do so responsibly. If you are traveling into New Jersey, please remember that your Pennsylvania gun does not belong in New Jersey, and that there is no reciprocity between Pennsylvania and New Jersey regarding firearms. With regards to DUI in Pennsylvania and DWI in New Jersey, please remember that impairment and intoxication are two different things. You may not feel drunk because you're so used to drinking because of your level of tolerance to alcohol, but you still may be over the legal limit, which is 0.08 in Pennsylvania. Obviously, when it comes to prescription and non-prescription drugs, I've done a lot of articles on that, and there's a strict liability standard. Remember that you can be DUI or DWI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, even if you're on prescription drugs. People often believe it must be an illegal drug, but that is simply not the case. So keep that in the back of your mind. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, GamboneLaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse a chemical test. It will never help your criminal case. Be respectful to the officer, but never give consent to search your property or your person. Be respectful, but again, do not give consent. Make that clear to the officer. Giving consent will never help your criminal case, and it really limits your defense attorney's options both at pretrial and at the trial level. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Saturday, a great weekend. Please enjoy it responsibly, and I'll talk to you all very soon.